You are going to create 4 different descriptive statistics visuals for the survey we collected in stats class. And you'll see the skills for descriptive stats in, I think I put it in week 6 modules on Canvas. So you have to make a scatter plot with a least squares linear regression line, a histogram, a two-way frequency table box plot, and I'm going to have 4 videos on skills you need with the Google Sheets that might help you, and a refresher on how to use these things. So let's do the scatter plots first. So we need Desmos. But if you read this, both columns have to be numbers. So pick 2 columns that you're curious, like, are they related somehow? And they have to have numbers, quantitative data. Each entry must have a corresponding entry in the other column, so there must be a pair to be able to plot it on an XY grid. And my suggestion is to copy and paste the 2 columns into another tab on your Google Sheets and clean it up before you take it to Desmos. Okay, so this is skills on how to do that. So I have some fake data over here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I asked these questions of these people, and I have 6 columns of answers. And for the scatter plot, I need 2 number columns. So let's say I'm not interested in these pink things, and my 2 numbers are age and time. Okay, so I could play around with them here. I see there's some weird data that I might have to clean up. I have a 0, so that might be suspect. Who knows? I don't want to do it in this original sheet because I have to use it for other stuff. So, poop. Down here, which, did I do this? No. Dang it. Can I change this? I cannot. Down on the bottom of the sheet, there's a little plus sign. So maybe I can do this. Doesn't matter. On the bottom left, there's a plus. So you get a new tab. And so I've just made a new tab, name it, or don't name it, I don't care. So then in your original data, you're going to copy, Control-C, Control-V on a laptop. I'm going to paste it over here, and then go back to my original data for the time, copy, and I'm going to paste it over here. And now I can clean it up. Okay, so if I'm making a scatter plot, I don't need to sort anything, but I have to look for pairs of data and cleaning up. So for example, look at this column, row 10. This seems like valid data, but I have milliseconds in there. So I can go up here and just get rid of the milliseconds. That's okay. 60 years, that seems valid, but the years is not going to work for me, so I get rid of the years. No, you might have nonsense data. So instead of just blanking this out or making up something, you have to delete that whole column, yeah, or the whole row. So right-click, delete row. Okay, so you decide if you want to get rid of this 0 or not. Something went fishy there. That's my take on it. So I'm going to, I could leave it as an outlier and discuss it. I think I'm just going to do that. Okay, so now I have clean data, 2 columns. They each have numbers. So now I want to copy, Control copy, and then when you go to Desmos, can I paste it? Oh, look, it already it pasted it into a table. Okay, and I have a scatter plot here. Maybe it looks like it has some patterns, maybe not. Notice the scales are wildly different, so you might not notice things. Notice there's 2 clumps of data here. Like, just see what you notice. I would go up to the, I want to see if there's a better representation of this. So if I go to the x-axis, I want to get rid of maybe this, and I don't have people older than, I don't know, you look at your data, let's say 80. So that cleans it up, and maybe over here, I'm going to go to 8,000. I think I had set, did I have, let's do 7,000. I mean, you have to play around with it, yep. And so I have this data. So whatever your data is, I just made nonsense data. There's my scatter plot, right? And then you have skills of making labels and such. To make the least squares linear regression line, you have to remember, you have to look at what the subscripts are here. It's 1 and 1. Yours might be different. So you do y1, you put the tilde, mx1 plus b. Yeah, and so it's going to make you some sort of least squares linear regression line. And remember, you have the slope, you have the y-intercept, and you have the correlation coefficient. So make sure to clean it up, put your labels on if you need a refresher on the labels. Let's say I want to label over here, what was mine, age against time. If I want to label up here, so you roughly look at what, 45 and 6,000. So 45, 6,000. And then notice label, you click label, and then you can put something like scatter plot of age versus time, or something that makes sense, like somebody can look at it and see what it is. You don't really need that point over there. So if you click and hover on this, it gives you options. You can increase the font size, right? So maybe I have font 2. You can change the color. You can play around with some of the other stuff. I don't want the point to show, yeah? So I click over here to show the point, and then you can move this around. Maybe I don't like 6,000, maybe I want 6,010, whatever, you play around with that. So that's how you make a scatter plot on Desmos, and then you take a screenshot, save it somewhere, right? Because you're gonna have to make a discussion post using the 4. So save it either in a Google Docs or whatnot.